right now we are like at Phi Phi Island, everyone. Phi Phi Island, the small one. And right now we parking at the highlight of Phi Phi on my left hand side over there, everyone. You can see the big cave with the limestone. That cave, everyone, we call Viking cave. Viking cave, everyone. And inside the cave, a lot of bird nests. Do you know bird nests? The swallow birds, they spit to make a nest. If you don't know what is it, look on my picture, everyone. The bird nest like this. And how to know where is the bird nest inside the big cave, everyone. You look inside the cave. You can see the bamboo stick. If you see the bamboo stick, everyone, that means upstairs.
This guy is just going to take our boat because we are going to different beach. It's crazy. One of the secret beaches in Thailand because it's very difficult to get here. We took boat, but otherwise you need to hike the hill, which is quite steep. So there is not many people here and water is very clear.
Let me try.